च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब पनि गरिदिनुस्, लाइक पनि गरिदिनुस् अनि शेयर पनि गरिदिनुस्। यसमा आउने भिडियोहरू एकदम दामी छ।
प्रियंका कार्कीको घाँटीमा अहिले चन्द्रमा र तारा भएको मङ्गलसूत्र छ। उक्त मङ्गलसूत्र लगाएका तस्बिर उनले सामाजिक सञ्जालमा पोस्ट गरिरहेकी छिन्। बेहुली हुँदा उनले लगाएको त्यो मङ्गलसूत्रको बल्ल चर्चा परिचर्चा भइरहेको छ। प्रियंकाले मङ्गलसूत्रलाई फोकस गरेका तस्बिर सार्वजनिक गरेपछि मङ्गलसूत्रको डिजाइन बारे पनि चर्चा सुरु भएको हो। मङ्गलसूत्र प्रियंका बेहुली बन्दा हङकङबाट मगाइएको थियो। उनको यो गहनाको भित्री कथाबारे धेरैले जिज्ञासा राखेपछि यसको डिजाइनकर्ताले थुप्रै कुरा बताएकी छिन्। उक्त मङ्गलसूत्रको मूल्य 1,49,000 रहेको छ। सुनौ माया मङ्गलसूत्र नाम दिएको उक्त मङ्गलसूत्र के कारणले विशेष छ?
That I'm coming live today to talk about my Mangalsutra. Hi, okay, I can see. Hi, Christina. So glad to see you. So as I say, I wanted to come here because I have been getting a lot of questions, basically regarding the Maya Mangalsutra. I think that's the buzz right now, right? So we just released it and made it available for purchase. Oh, you can't hear me? Hey, hello. Okay, so you can hear me. Thank you. Since the very beginning? Oh, okay, because someone said that she can't hear me, so I was a bit worried. Anyway, so I wanted to answer all the questions that I've been getting and also to show how it looks real ma. So someone like me, it comes out like this. It's really pretty, since we're all in a lockdown, it's a good opportunity for me just to pop in your Insta stories, right? And then answer it instead of just, I've been answering to everyone, trying to answer to everyone, but it's a lot of questions. So I figured if I put it on the live, maybe it's better. So, okay, if you have any questions, please put in the message box below. And if I see it, I will, Bluetooth. Okay. So I will answer if I see any questions here. I wanted to do this especially so that today we're just going to talk about mostly the Mangalsutra, why I made it, what's so special about it, right? And any other questions regarding the gold, the diamonds. A lot of people have been asking me about that, and it's actually quite nice because some of them say, oh, diamond, like I haven't bought diamonds before so much, so I did do a live on gold before, but if you want it again, you can tell me and I can go again. Okay, so let's get right to the good stuff. I'm already wearing it, so you can see it, right? So that answers one question already. How does it look? Pictures I've been sharing in my Instagram posts as well, the pictures, but I think this is a much clearer, I hope to answer all your questions. So stick around and then, so this one is actually my first Mangalsutra. I did a lot of research to make this. I've put in a lot of thoughts, a lot of love, a lot of energy. For me personally, I love creating pieces which is beautiful, right? Beauty is very important. If I walk by and wear something, let that person look at what I'm wearing, right? Thank you so much, Makeup by making unique pieces. Not everything is unique. So we buy because it has to be regular. You don't want people to turn their head. You don't want it to distract. But sometimes it's an investment pieces too, something really nice, something really unique. मान्छेले हेर्दाखेरि पनि ओहो कहाँबाट ल्याएर रहेछ अथवा उसको कलेक्सन कस्तो राम्रो भन्ने होस् न. सो मलाई चाहिँ त्यस्तो लाग्छ. I feel like that, and so I want to create. मलाई चाहिँ त्यस्तो कुराहरू बनाउन पनि मन लाग्छ भनौं न. And if you are someone with similar thoughts, then we are the same. I know, basically. So that is why Mangalsutra बनाउने भन्ने बित्तिकै मैले यस्तो सोचे, I want to make something different. अब मलाई थाहा छ नेपाल, India, we get a lot of different Mangalsutra त पाउँछ, but मैले सोच्दा चाहिँ I can't think of one shop which gives a different kind. Every shop I go to, कस्तो भयो भनेपछि जहाँ गए पनि एउटै किसिमको के जहाँ गए पनि सो एउटाबाट अर्को डिफरेन्स त मलाई खास डिजाइन्सको उसमा त मतलबै भएन. सो आई थट आई वान्ट टु क्रिएट समथिङ अ बिट युनिक एन्ड ब्युटिफुल एन्ड मिनिङफुल, राइट? So if you look at all my work, अब सबै त हुँदैन तर I do a lot of meaningful thingsहरु, meaning भएको pieces बनाउन मन लाग्छ, and that is what I think यहाँ बाहिरतिर विदेशतिर पनि lot of people really appreciate it, is that you know I love making things which have meaning to it, so that makes it like double more special भनौं न, हैन? हेर्दा पनि राम्रो तर आफ्नो लाइफमा पनि मिनिङ ल्याछ भने चाहिँ मलाई चाहिँ त्यस्तो मन पर्छ. सो आई लाइक टु मेक द्याट एन्ड देयर आर लट अफ पिपल द्याट आई एम सो ह्याप्पी, होइन? तपाईँहरू पनि हुनुहुन्छ हु इज अप्रिसिएटेड द्याट एन्ड आई एम रियली थ्याङ्कफुल फर द्याट, है त? सो दिस इज अल्सो अ भेरी मिनिङफुल पिस बिकज यसमा चाहिँ हामीले जुन डिजाइन एलिमेन्टहरू हाले, मुन हाले, सो यु क्यान सी दिस मुन. The moon is fully studded by white diamonds. So this is a total white diamond piece. And you can see that there is a border of yellow gold around. So I wanted a clean design, you know, ali modern hos bhanera, so that I can wear it with anything like luga jasto sanga pani jaos bhanera. So I wanted a very clean design, and you can see my star. You start, I have another collection with the star, you know. The star is also very meaningful to me. Malai chai kasto bhanepachi I feel that हुन्छ नि, हुन त स्टार्सहरू हुन्छ, सेलिब्रिटिजहरू हुन्छ, हलिउड हुन्छ, बलिउड हुन्छ, कलिउड हुन्छ, बट यु नो एभ्री वुमन वी अल आर स्टार्स इन आवर ओन राइट्स, हो कि होइन? भन्नु न, आफ्नै घरको स्टार हो म, अब कसैको नभए भने पनि. आई फिल लाइक द्याट, एन्ड आई फिल द्याट to have such small reminders around me really helps, and it makes me feel nice. Ani, I hope it does the same to you. Hi, I can see meaning behind the Ani moon cha ekdamai romantic ke, especially husband and wife, marriage, union. I'm a very romantic person, हैन? अनि moon पनि यस्तो romantic. अनि प्रियंका जी सँग बनाउने भनेर हामीले कुरा गर्दाखेरि पनि so I discussed, and उहाँलाई पनि एकदमै मन पर्दो रहेछ moon, sun, star, just like me. अनि so we said, okay, let's do this, and बिहामा चाहिँ त्यो लाउने भनेर we worked on it for like a whole month actually. It was so exciting मेरलाई. I made few more designs also, हैन? त्यो चाहिँ त्यही बेलामा मैले कतिवटा बनाएको थिएँ, अनि we decided on this for that time, हैन? So that's the story behind the concept behind my designs. मुन को चाहिँ जुन त्यसको एउटा रोमान्टिक फिलिङ छ, इभिनिङमा निस्केर मुन हेर्दा पनि कस्तो हुन्छ नि, है? सो स्पेशली अब मलाई मेरो हस्बेन्डसँग अथवा मेरो आफ्नो मान्छेसँग भनौँ न, आई अलवेज वान्ट टु ब्रिङ द्याट एनर्जी इन्टु माई लाइफ. आई होप एन्ड आई प्रे. लकिली मेरो हस्बेन्ड पनि इज नट भेरी रोमान्टिक, क्वाइट खालको हुनुहुन्छ, होइन? but he's a very loving guy, and I love him to the moon and back, and I want that energy to always be in my life even when I grow old and sunny. So I believe by surrounding ourselves with signs and symbols and things like that, it actually does help to life ma to retain garna ke. So anyway, so that's about the design. Arko kura chai I made it limited edition, right? So what does limited edition mean? Basically it means तपाईको यो मंगलसूत्र चाहिँ जुन तपाईसँग छ, it is not going to be made forever. म चाहिँ अब डिजाइन राम्रो भएको त कहिले कहिले कस्तो हुन्छ भनेपछि some designs will make it, always make it, because it's like मान्छेले खोजिरहेको छ, बनाइदिरहेको छु, होइन? तर कुनै कुनै चाहिँ यस्तो स्पेशल हुन्छ that you just make few of it and that's it, है? डायमन्ड्समा छ, है? So I got a lot of questions also, 14K किन 22K 24K मा बनाइदिनु भएको भए हुन्थ्यो भन्ने कुरा. वेल, डायमन्ड ज्वेलरी नेपालकै ज्वेलरी स्टोरहरुमा पनि जानुस्, प्रायले 14K भन्दा बेसी बनाउँदैन, and there is a reason to it. 18 को पनि अलिअलि बनाउँछ. Oh yes, you are going to Lakshmi, you will. So let's talk about the gold. So gold say 14 karat ma cha, but this is a very nice thick chain. You can see it's not like those thin chains chutine khalko, hai? Ani yo cha ceramic ko beads haru. I sourced some really nice ceramic beads, and it's real diamond. Yes, Bhavna, right? Bhavna, this is real diamonds. These are like, so our mere diamond, so we use very high quality white diamonds. You can see white shine, ekdam ramro cha ni. And यो चाहिँ किम्बर्ली प्रोसेसबाट सो डायमन्ड्सहरु चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भने कहिले कहिले आई डोन्ट नो इफ यु हर्ड अबाउट ब्लड डायमन्ड्स भन्ने कुरा अफ्रिकामा चाहिँ कति पहिला very sad but a lot of diamond mines हरुबाट चाहिँ बच्चाहरुलाई वर्कहरु गराएर अनि the money from those diamonds were used to fund like really bad wars and stuff and त्यसले गर्दा मान्छेहरु एकदमै कन्शियस पनि छ बाहिरतिर हैन सो the diamonds I use have all been certified Kimberley process को through बाट जान्छ and these are not blood diamonds यो डायमन्ड बनाउँदा ल्याउँदा अर्थ बाट निकाल्दा अथवा बेच्दा चाहिँ कसैलाई पनि हानि भएको छैन no one has suffered त्यो भनेर it is like a Kimberley work only with very हुन्छ नि मान्छेहरु who are very ethical है म पनि am like that तपाईलाई मैले यो 14K हो भने 14K नै भन्छु 14 मा 13 हालेर पठाउँदिन अथवा 18K भनेर 17 हालेर पठाउँदिन 18 भन्यो भने 18 I'll show you अर्को पिक्चर पनि देखाइदिन्छु मैले बनाउँदाखेरि हामीले कसरी टेस्टहरु गर्छ I'll show you right now है so diamonds are GH color which means quite white and SI राम्रो clarity छ है अनि gold is 14K solid gold so यो पुरा gold ले बनेको हो so it doesn't हुन्छ नि बिग्रिने सिग्रिने it lasts forever basically आफूले राम्रो राख्यो भने right yeah oh hi Prajina nice to see you it goes through quality checks है हाम्रो KN products each one goes through quality checks I check to see gold quantity को हाम्रो proper भएको छ कि छैन मैले जे भनेछु because I want to give you what I give you नेपालमा हुँदा मलाई पहिला पनि हुन्थ्यो I was not a jeweler like you know म त डेन्टिस्ट मान्छे हैन अनि so basically कति चाहिँ अब 22 भन्छ तर चेक गर्दाखेरि 20 मात्र हुन्छ भन्ने कुराहरु पनि सुन्छ नि है सो आई वान्टेड टु बी श्योर दैट त्यस्तो पनि नहोस् एकदमै राम्ररी दिम भनेर है अनि अर्को कुरा चाहिँ स्ट्याम्प गर्छौं के सो यसमा चाहिँ यो एजमा छ सो तपाईको नेकेड आइजले चाहिँ हेर्न अलि गाह्रो हुन्छ किनभने ज्वेलरी भने सानो कुरा जहाँ पाए त्यही स्ट्याम्प गर्ने कुरा भएन बट तपाई जोले पनि लिनु भछ इफ यु लुक यहाँनिर अलिकति माइक्रोस्कोपहरु छ भने कहिले त फोनबाट पनि देख्न सक्छ फोनको त्यो फोटोलाई यस्तो एनलार्ज गर्यो भने पनि यु माइट बी एबल टु सी सो यहाँ स्ट्याम्प भएको हुन्छ मैले अघि फोटो खिचेर राखेको छु आइल शो यु कसरी हुन्छ है त सो व्हाट डु वी स्ट्याम्प तपाईको त्यसमा चाहिँ गोल्ड कति छ त्यसमा स्ट्याम्प चाहिँ छ सो मैले तपाईलाई ठग्ने कुरा भएन मलाई कति जनाले अस्ति नै के आई वान्ट टु बाई इट तर अब म युके मा बस्छु or US मा बस्छु कसरी मैले थाहा हुने कि तपाई के रे रियल हो कि हैन भनेर अथवा अनलाइन को त के हो लाइक भनेर भने इंग्लिशमा अब obviously अहिले मैले नेपालीमा भने how do we know that you are truthful or you I'm getting what well अब 100% त मैले तपाईलाई कसरी कन्भिन्स गराउँ